Hello YouTube, my name is Dawn Ashmore and today I'm doing an unboxing of some hair products from Amazon.com. I order my hair products off of Amazon because they're cheaper than most of places, or a lot of places. I'm from Brooklyn, and basically I've ordered some stuff last week from Amazon, hair products and things you use for your hair, whether it be wigs or weaves or glue or weaving thread. I order from Amazon. So this is one of my boxes that I received today from Amazon with some hair products and some things that I ordered from Amazon, of course, to help me look beautiful. Okay, so here's my box that I received today, and it's from Amazon. I want everybody to see it came from Amazon. Okay, I have some lovely things in here that I want to share with everybody. Not only do I order from Amazon, but I also order from lacefrontbundle.com, and it's a affiliate site from Amazon, and they post more hair products and stuff, but everything basically comes from Amazon. And I'll leave the link at the end of my video so that you can see exactly where I'm ordering my stuff from and the name of my products that I've ordered and things of that nature. Now back to my box. As I said, I ordered some things from Amazon last week, and I just got the box today. I'm going to open the box and share my items and the discounts and things that I got from ordering from Amazon, which, you know, some people don't have the time or to go to the store. Instead of going to the store on long lines, I order from Amazon. Not only that, Amazon seems to be much cheaper than the beauty supply stores in Brooklyn, because that's where I'm from. My hometown is Brooklyn. So, as I said, this is my box. It's from Amazon, and right now I'm holding a 6-pack of weaving thread, but I don't only have 6 of them, I have 18, and it came in a bundle package from Amazon. Alright, and like I said, lacefront.com also have Amazon products, and you could go to that site too. I'll leave that link. I want you to subscribe, leave a comment, and tell me how I'm doing with my videos. And if you like the products, I'll leave the links on here to direct you to where to get the products from. So, as I was saying, I have 18 spools of weaving thread from Amazon. This is just one pack. Here's my second pack of 6. This is my third pack of 6. Also on my bundle package, Amazon sent me a free gift. Every time I bundle with Amazon, I get a free gift. And today's free gift was free eyelashes, because I like to get my eyes done. Looking good, looking good. Alright. And what also came in my bundle pack, my nice little box I got today, was net caps that you weave your weaving here into, and you make your own wig. So I also got 2 of these brushes, which is called edge control brushes. So when you put your edge control gel on your hair, you use these brushes so they don't get up under your long nails. I have long nails, so I tend to really live by these brushes. Not only that, I got 2 packs of 10 weaving needles. Just what they look like, how they come out the box. And then I have what I call wig pins, and they hold the wig onto one of these. wig head. So these pins hold your wig down onto it, right? You put your wig on first, then you put the pins in, and it allows you to style your wig on the wig head. So also I have 2 wig bands. This also came in my bundle pack from Amazon that I ordered. I have ghost glue for the women who wear the lace front